What's going on, everybody? This is Dave from Steel City Drones, and today we're going to be talking about the Skyzimir Payload Drop System for both Matrice 200 and 210, as well as V1 and V2. The Skyzimir is an excellent, high-quality payload drop system. We've tested a few different things. This is the first unit that's come out that we really are excited about, and we want to be able to share that with you. It's been out for a while for V1, and they recently released it for V2. So we're going to talk about some of the features, functionality, how it works, and all the good stuff that goes with that. This unit has actually been out for 6 to 8 months minimum, and we haven't had a chance to get around to actually doing a full video for it, but now here we are, and now we're able to really show you how nice this system is. Compared to other units on the market, this is really high quality materials that are not going to fail you for mission critical applications for public safety. We were really concerned about how it would fly if we're carrying a 5, 6, 7 pound payload, and we can say that with really good confidence that we really like the way it flies, no problem. So a 5, 6 pound payload is not going to be a problem. So you can go ahead and deploy life rafts, cell phones, or anything else that you feel is mission critical to help for search and rescue and those kind of applications for public safety. Now, how it works is it's basically a bolt-on kit that's going to go on there, but you can go ahead and control it and activate the drop system via your remote. So if you have a Sendence remote especially, that's very customizable, you can go ahead and assign it to just about anything you want on that remote. Then that's really, really nice. So 6 to 7 pound capabilities, it's going to work with customizable for your remote, and it's also going to go ahead and plug in the back of the STK ports. Another really nice feature that we like about this is that it's not going to interfere with you going ahead and using your camera sensors on board. So if you have a Matrice 210 and you want to use 2 sensors alongside it, it's not going to interfere with that at all. Now, for the setup process, I would say if you've never done something like this before, it can take you 2 or 3 hours just to go through it really systematically. We're also going to have, with our partners in Florida Drone Supply, we're going to come up with an instruction video to our customers that buy this that will help you step you through the installation process. But if you don't want to deal with the installation, our partners at Florida Drone Supply will be glad to set up and install this for you without any problems, so that way you don't have to even deal with it. But we can definitely show you how to use it and support this product without any problems. So with that said, if you have any questions, please let me know. If you haven't hit our subscribe button, please help us grow the channel. And for anybody who subscribes before the end of February, you're going to be automatically eligible to win our Mavic Mini that we're giving away. So like always, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks again. If you like this video and like to see more free videos in the future, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And while you're at it, if you're interested in free lessons on how to fly drones, discounts on drone equipment, discounts on insurance, or access to our exclusive drone video library, check out our website, steelcityflightacademy.com.